Hi, my name is Liz, and today we'll be making Goddess Bath Bomb. Compounding will be Gladice.
I feel like a chef, but chef of bath bombs.
This product is perfect for anyone wanting to add a bit of luxury to their bath routine. It features ingredients like argan oil from Morocco and shea butter from Ghana that will leave your skin feeling moisturized and silky smooth like the goddess you are. The first thing that Gladice is going to do is prepare the bath bomb melt mix. This melt includes some great moisturizing ingredients like fair trade organic cocoa butter, shea butter, and argan oil. Silver luster is also added to the mix, some sparkle fit for a queen.
It's not the goddess anymore, it's the Gladice. Oh yeah.
The bath bomb melt is then poured and hardened in the fridge before being added back into the mix later on. Next, Gladice is onto the silver mix. After adding a healthy dose of sodium bicarbonate, silver luster is added along with titanium dioxide powder. Gladice also likes to keep track of her glitter levels throughout this process.
About a 6.
Essential oils like jasmine are added to give you a luxurious scent while soaking in the bath. Finally, remember that bath melt we made? It's now ground up and added in to keep you moisturized. Our last 3 mixes are lilac, purple, and green. These include ingredients like soft green glimmer, essential oils, and color to give Goddess its lovely purple shade. Then it's off to the pressing team. Everyone works together to combine the mixes in just the right way so that Goddess can take its true form before hitting your bathtub. Last but definitely not least, our Goddess Bath Bomb is given a little extra love with a final blast of plastic-free sparkle. Both you and Gladice can enjoy living your best glitter-filled life.
Now from head to toe, I'd say 11. 11. And that's how we make the Goddess Bath Bomb.
Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to leave a comment below and let us know what you want to see next on our How It's Made videos.